Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a continuation of the ink drop hearts, which is 2 videos back. Somebody asked if I could show the process of actually turning them into keychains, which is something I've been doing and selling over on Instagram. So more than happy to show you guys how I make them, and it's not a hard one. So this is what I use. I use these keychains specifically. You can use any, there are so many available. My friend over on Instagram, Wendy, go check her out if you're on Instagram at Toonpish Creations, amazing resin artist. She hasn't set up a YouTube yet, but I'm trying to get her to. Yeah, these are the ones she uses. So I asked her what she recommends and this is what she uses. So I buy this. This is what they look like. I've just ordered some more. This is what they look like. They're from Amazon. I will put a link down below. And this is a bag. I think it's a bag of 50, something like that. Not only do I use these, I also use these. These are tiny 5mm screw eyelets for keyrings. So I put these in first and then I hook these onto those. So that's pretty much it. The tools you'll need are these bad boys here, or anything that you can actually open this with. You need to be able to open this circle here to hook it around the eyelet. So I've got 2 of these. That enables me to get them open quite easily. And a drill. So I use the tiniest, you can see here, the tiniest drill bit that I could possibly get. I got a pack of 10 of these from Amazon for, I want to say £2. They were the tiniest drill bits, tiniest. You don't want the hole to be bigger than these. And this is really just to create the beginning of the hole. I don't go all the way in. The other thing I've recently purchased is some E6000 just to make sure that those screws stay inside. Now they pretty much always have done. I've never had a problem, but I thought a strong glue would just make sure they never come out of the heart. E6000 is quite a difficult glue to get in the UK. You can only order it on Amazon or eBay. We don't sell it in stores. I know there was, back in the day, about 8 years ago, I knew there was a health risk with this glue, so I am not recommending anyone go out and buy this, but this is what I'm going to use to stick these in with to make sure they stay. Now this says odorless. When I used it years and years ago, oh boy, you could smell it 3 roads away. So I threw it all in the bin. I literally never touched it again. So this is my first time trying this one. It says no odor. It's come from America. It is an American glue. So we shall see how we get on. If it smells, I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys and let you know. Let's start. So all in all, this lot here took me an hour to put together. Absolutely love all of them. This is just the results of the last few days and the last few videos. I've already sold a few on Insta. So this one here, if you remember, was my mess up. This was where I put it in the mould. You can see the ridge here. I have a wheelie chair in my craft room and I put this on the floor to cure. Silly mistake. I wheeled over it with my chair and the black ink on the back sunk through to the front. This one here has been my most popular. There's 4 people that have messaged me asking me to buy it. Somebody from TikTok actually messaged me first, so this is going to them. And can you believe it? This is the one. This is the one that everyone wants to buy. And I can't recreate it because I can't keep falling off my chair. Everything else is like, this one got picked first for PE, you know. But yeah, this has been the most popular, which is, I understand, because I adore it myself. So it just goes to show there's no right or wrong when you're creating, guys. In the words of Bob Ross, it's a happy little accident, which has been in quite a lot of demand. And unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to recreate it. You never know. might give it a go. It does make me laugh though. But yeah, so if you're interested in any of these, of course, I will see you over on my Instagram. It's the same name. I have it linked in my YouTube, but also it's Claire's Crafty Corner. If you want to come over, grab me over there if you're interested in purchasing any of these. So far, this is the only one that's sold. From seeing it on the video, they kind of messaged me all, but one person got in there first. Hope you've enjoyed this one, and I hope it's helped you to see the process that I do to create my keyrings, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for all of your support. I'll see you soon. Bye.